Alright, today I'm going to be making a stand or mount for my GoPro that I use to make my videos. It's going to hang over the lathe, and I might make one here for the mill too. So I'm going to take this piece of wood and cut a little valley in it for the camera to sit into, and it's just going to have a little strap over the top. And then I'll mount it to the wall with some arms that'll move, so I can move it around when I want, and I'm going to put a light on it too. So this is going to be cutting out the little tiny slot. Alright, I'm happy with that. It fits in the slot good. I'm going to cut it off and then make the rest of it now. Alright, I found this. I found this old lamp. I've been needing a light over here anyways, so I put the thing on the lamp with some electrical wire holders, and it's pretty tight. So now I have to make an arm for this to attach to the wall up there, so it can move around and I can push it out of the way if I want. And that should be it. Here it is. I got all the bolts tight enough so they'll just stay put where they are, except that one. But it'll go where I need it, and it'll slide back out of the way. I just got to run the wire for the light, and I'm gonna run a cord to charge the camera while it's on there. Alright, I got it fixed on there. Got the light run. It may not be the prettiest thing, but I don't care. It's functional. That's what I want. Slides out of the way. Comes back over here, turn the light on and off. And a good view with the camera, I think. You can watch work on the lathe a lot better now. So yeah, pretty happy with it.